Today we are going to learn Lucida handwriting. We have some fundamentals. Once a year, in the 4-rule book, we may find 4 types of lines. First one upper line, second one control line, third one base line, fourth one lower line. And types of zone. Here see, first zone is called upper zone. This is base line to upper line. This phase is called upper zone. Base line to control line. This is middle zone. Third one, control line to lower line. This is lower zone. And the last one is this zone touch to all lines. This is called a mixed zone. Now let us learn zone wise letters. Let us learn upper zone letters. Once see, some of the edges are upper side. They are touching to upper line, this line. See B, D, F, H, K, L and final one is T. Now we have to learn. First one is B. See here, this is a small letter stroke like oval shape. See, this is round shape. This is round shape. See, we can start here in this way. No need to write this space. Okay, then this is D. While writing B, you can start here onwards. Then this space is no need. Okay, this is B. This one is used for A also. Okay, this oval shape is used for D and A. Now next one D. See, first of all write down oval shape and a small stroke, small letter stroke. This is D. See, this is first step. This is second arrow symbol. And you may start this one or this one. See, this is first or this is second. So choice is yours. You may start from here onwards or you may start like this. So choice is yours. Next, letter F. This letter start with upper line to lower line. This means mixed zone letter. This letter is in mixed zone, upper zone, middle zone. Understand? And H. Small stroke. This is second one. This is first step. This is second stroke. For this one, low, higher to down, upper to down. This is first step. And this is second. Next K. Small letter stroke. This is first one. Next one you may take small size oval shape and then this one. This is arrow symbol. This is the second step, like this. Okay, you may write in this way. And letter L, small stroke is enough. Only one way. And last letter is T. The downside you may write in this way. We are writing in this way. Otherwise you may write in this way. Some of you writing in this way, or no need to write in this way. Anyway, this refers to T. Now we are going to learn middle zone letters. Upper zone letters, how many are there? 7. Middle zone letters, once see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 letters. See, first of all, letter A. Letter A start with vowel shape. And letter C. This is letter C. In the round shape, we have to cut here. Okay, this is like this. This is first one, and like this. This is second one. This is first. This is second. And in this letter, this is first. Only one line, one way. See after letter E. Okay. Some of you wrote in this way also, or you may take in this way also. Which is attractive, you may choose. But in Lucida, we are following this one. Second one is we are following. Okay. In this way. And after I. Here 2 steps only. Like this first one. Here dot is second one. A is vowel, C is vowel, E is vowel, and I is also vowel. Letter M. Small stroke like this, and you may start and write in this way. It should be small in there. It should be in small. Some of you are writing in this way. Okay. Here no need in this type of curving. Here no need to write. Here like this. We should follow in this way only. And letter N also same. This is first one. This is second one. This is first, this line second, this line third. In this only 2. Letter O we may write like vowel shape. Some of you are writing round shape. We should follow this one. And after O, what is the letter? What is the letter is R. like this first one, and like this one is second stroke. Okay, in the vowel shape letter only one, no need to write two times. And after that S. This is Lucida handwriting letter S. Some of you writing square type of letter. Here length is long like this. Okay, this is only one step. Otherwise we follow this one first step, this one second, this one third. First, second, third, fourth. See again, first, second, third, fourth. Or if you want to write at a time, you may write in this way only. After S, what is the letter is? U. See, first one this way, in this way you may write. After that this one, and final one is this one. Otherwise, you may write at a time in this way. This is in only one step, and second step is this one. Second step is this one. Okay, some of you writing letter U. First of all, they are writing in this way. Some of writing edge curve in this way. Some of you writing down to bottom, and this one is as usual. And the letter V. Letter V. Okay. This is common stroke. No need to bend here. It should be straightly manner. Like this, slant. After V, what is the letter? Like V, we can start, or we may start up to down, or down to bottom. Baseline to control, or control to base. That is our choice. And control to baseline, and baseline to control. And then W is over, and next X. Here two types you may follow. This is first step, and this is second. Final letter is Z or G. Like you may write like a wave. One is at control line, second one is at baseline. We have to follow in this way, straightly. The letter should be here to ear, straightly. We have to follow. See, here onwards, this is only one way. This is first step, this is second, this side or this side. Or you may write at a time, or otherwise you should follow. And the letter U, this is first one, this is second one, or you may follow at a time only one time. This is first, this is second. Letter V, this is first, this is second, or this side or that side. And this one As usually you are writing which is in B. This is first one, this is second one, third one, fourth one. Letter X. This is first one, this is second one. Letter Z or G. This is first wave, second wave and third line. These are the middle zone letters. Lower zone letters and mixed zone letters. See, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth one. See, first one, letter F. Upper line to lower line. This is first step. Upper line to lower line, step 1. This is step 2. And letter G. First one oval shape. This is step 1. And contour line to lower line. This is step 2. And J, letter J. This is first one, dot is second one. Dot is second one. And letter P. Small letter stroke. And oval shape letters. And a Q. This is first step. This is second step. This is first one, this is second one. This is first one, this is second one. Or this is first one, this is second one. You may choose any one of them. And the letter Y. Letter Y. Like V shape, for one C, this is V. Or you may write like U. Okay, see. Any one of them you may use. Or this one or that one. This is from model V, this is from model U. Okay, these are the letters except F. These letters are called lower zone letters. Mixed zone letter is only F. Only F is a mixed zone letter. Okay, thank you everyone. For next class, we are going to learn capital letters and small letters. Thank you everyone.